until 2017. Take a look at the rupee, and of course that has been majoring calculations for the commodity markets as well. Prathamesh Mallya then joins us to talk about that and more. Prathamesh, hi, welcome. While the global markets have been doing what they have been, but the rupee appreciation clearly has been a cushion in the times of decline, and we haven't seen too much of gains for many of those commodities because of the way rupee has appreciated.
Okay.
Yes, we do feel that this appreciation would definitely continue in the weeks ahead, and 64 is something which we are looking very fast, possibly in 2-3 weeks time, and this is a possible dominance of news and reports coming from international arena, and plus Indian economy in terms of new government and policies being intact is something which is really getting very fair for rupee. So in that sense, rupee appreciation seems to be the story going forward, and hence 64 looks very likely in rupee terms.
Prathamesh, how would you look at the precious metal space? Because in this year till time, silver with nearly 9% up is outperformed crude and gold as well. Do you see the silver lining continue?
With uncertainty around with regards to Europe is concerned, even US Fed is concerned, and even Trump with his policies, it is the safe haven bet would continue to remain from here on, and it is advisable that you remain on the buy side for both these metals. Although a little short-term correction cannot be ruled out, it is better to be on the buy side for gold as well as for silver. In Indian rupee terms, 43,000 is something which would look possible. So it is better to enter buy on dip strategy would be advisable when it comes to Indian markets.
Prathamesh, just a final word, and we don't watch Middle East currencies so much, but they have done well in this quarter, and so has the Russian ruble, up 9%. So that really perhaps could be tied up with the crude oil prices, where you have seen some strength come in. How would you look at that commodity going forward?
Crude oil as such has been a volatile, but it has continuously fallen in the past, and you seen trading below $50. But then this possible gains in last two or three odd trading sessions purely on account of Libya disruptions. However, it also seems to be taken off the cards. 0.2 million barrels per day is something which really will not lift oil prices. We do see pressure continuing in oil going forward as well. High oil inventories in the US is something which bothers oil markets, and this would be pressure going forward. 3,100 looks very much possible in oil counter as well.
Okay, all right, Manisha as well as Prathamesh, thanks very much for joining in, taking us through all of those commodity strategies as well as what's happening in the currency. The rupee, in fact, has appreciated 4.4% just in 2017, above 65 as we speak.